Yo, what's going on, my impossible creators? Let's jump right in. So we're gonna be using, to start, Adobe Firefly, and I'm not gonna be reading these prompts out as usual. I will have it dropped in the descriptor so you can just copy paste. Want to keep these videos just moving as quickly as possible. So once you drop in the prompt, you hit generate. All right, so as soon as you hit generate, you should get any of, you should see images similar to the ones you see right here. Frankly, the first, any of these first three, I would say, to me look best. So I will go with this one, the third one down, the third one over. You want to hit on the edit, the pencil edit button, and then go down to where you see use as style reference. So once you select that, you actually want to now go to Adobe Illustrator, and there's a website called, what is it called? seeklogo.com. You can type in Nike or Apple, Adidas, basically whatever logo you want to pull. So it's vectorized, and vector just basically means that you can scale it up to infinity and it won't pixelate. So once you drag your logo in from downloading it, you want to go to 3D and materials. You can find that in your Windows, 3D and materials. This menu should pop up. Hit inflate, right? And make sure it's a color like a red, just to follow. And once you have that, you're actually gonna wanna click on this checkbox that says inflate both sides. And what that does is that as you angle over the Nike logo, both sides will be inflated, so the back as well. So pick an angle that feels like it's popping out most, and then I'm just gonna get a screen grab of that, and that's gonna save on my desktop. Now let's go back to Adobe Firefly and drag our reference. That's gonna be our image reference. I'm dragging it over to image reference. Hit that strength all the way to max. Then we want to actually scroll all the way up to where you see Firefly image 4. Make sure that's Firefly image 3. And since this is a horizontal layout, I actually want to make it widescreen. So let's go 16:9. Last two things we're gonna do here is for lighting, hit studio light, and then lastly for camera angle, close up. So once you have that all set up, hit generate. All right, perfect. So this first one came out exactly how we wanted it to. Download that, hit the download button for whichever one you liked. And then the last program is MidJourney. So we're gonna go to MidJourney. We're gonna go ahead and drag over our image. So you can drag your image over to where it says starting frame. And then it automatically just has that as a frame to a video. And from there, you're just gonna paste in this prompt that, again, I'll provide for you. You can hit loop. So that'll just make it an endless video loop. Hit submit. And boom, there you go. If you go over any of the 4 that is generated, it automatically plays out all 4. So I like the second one and I like the third one.